What is?
Do you remember the story of Prince Siddhartha's birth
Yes.
at that
yes.
Lumbini Salpak?
Yes.
After the birth, after a few days of the birth,
They are keep cute baby.
parents are keeping a name for that child. We need to put a name before 2 weeks period. We have to put a name.
Without when you grow up, when we are small, you should put a name.
According to your birth time, there's auspicious time, and we have to go to astrologers.
She's like me.
This is wise man. They know astrology. They can predict what will happen to this child later. This person's name is Asita Tausa, wise man.
Funny name.
Then this you can see Queen Mahamaya here, and Prajapati also. Queen Mahamaya, who is with that crown, King Suddhodana's wife, Queen Mahamaya. This Prince Siddhartha's mother is Queen Mahamaya, no? Then this is her sister, I think so, Prajapati. After the death of Queen Mahamaya, only that Queen Prajapati was the one who looked after this our Lord Buddha. This is our Prince Siddhartha's naming ceremony. Do you remember who is Prince Siddhartha?
Yes.
Who are the parents of Prince Siddhartha? Show me here.
Siddhartha and
No, Prince Siddhartha's parents, mother and father. Mother is Queen Mahamaya and King Suddhodana. King Suddhodana and Queen Mahamaya. Don't forget that. This is our Lord Buddha's birth time. Show me Prince Siddhartha here. That cute Prince Siddhartha. Do you remember the place where he has born? Lumbini Salpak. After having a birth, within 2 weeks period, we have to put a name. For you also, we have put a name, no? Therefore, there was a naming ceremony at King Suddhodana's palace. King Suddhodana called to a wise man named Asita. This is Asita Tausa. Show me Asita. This is Asita Tausa. He is a wise man, but he is very old man.
she's just like a farmer.
First he laughed after seeing this child. His laugh. After that he cried. What is the reason for that? Then King Suddhodana asked, "Why are you crying?" Then Asita told, "First I laugh. After getting know, this child will become a Sakwiti, King Sakwiti or Lord Buddha. But I feel cry. At that time, I wish I will not live. I will be died." Then what has happened? Do you remember? Can you show this baby to Asita Tausa? Slowly, he's very little child, 2 weeks period still. This is Queen Mahamaya. And then what has happened? Show. When they showed this child to this Asita, this person, what has happened? Some miracle happened. Do you remember? Do you know what has happened? Have you ever heard that?
What?
He has put his footprint.
Yeah.
He has put that.
I know.
Prince Siddhartha has kept his footprint on the forehead of this person.
I know that.
You know?
Yeah, Miss Kalcha told me.
You also put your footprint at when our boss mama is doing concrete everywhere. You are also putting your footprint there. Like that. There also. Then like that, this child also kept his footprint on the forehead of this wise man Asita. Sealed.
But in her forehead, he have to do it. Bexido cloth. That's what when he was born with it.
This is within 1 week period, I think, before the death of Queen Mahamaya. She has died after 1 week, no? This is, you can see, Queen Mahamaya and King Suddhodana. Don't forget these two names, Queen Mahamaya and King Suddhodana, Prince Siddhartha and wise man Asita. There was a grand plowing ceremony at the palace of this King Suddhodana. What is this ceremony? This has happened in King Suddhodana's palace. This is called Sowing Feast. That means in Sinhala we are calling it Vapmagullu Savaya. That is one event about paddy cultivation. In this paddy cultivation, this sowing feast Vapmagul ceremony day, the servant couldn't find Prince Siddhartha. They looked for where is Prince. All were looked for where is this Prince. Then they couldn't find it. Couldn't find that Prince. Then after they saw Prince is in the sky. He was meditating in the sky.
How can she sit down there?
This is another miracle happened in Prince Siddhartha's life. That King Suddhodana got a doubt about this prince because there was two miracle things happen, no? That paddy field day and again naming ceremony day. Therefore, King Suddhodana invited to wise man again to predict about his future. Then all of them told Siddhartha will become a great king. Sakwiti king, King Sakwiti or Lord Buddha. Only one person, Kondanya, only told this person will become a Lord Buddha one day. Therefore, King Suddhodana was not happy. Therefore, King Suddhodana gave him every facilities. What are the facilities he has given? He made 3 palaces. Can you see these 3 palaces?
So beautiful. I have like that.
Here, these are the 3 palaces of Prince Siddhartha. King Suddhodana didn't show him the reality of life. He has built 3 palaces for Prince Siddhartha. 3 names of these 3 palaces. What are the names of these 3 palaces? You should remember those.
I can remember that. I can watch that video.
Ramya,
And
Suramya, Subha.
Subha.
Those are in your Buddhism book. Therefore, you should remember that. This is the Prince Siddhartha at his young age. King Suddhodana didn't show him any incident happen in the society. Once he is traveling with servant Channa only, he saw that sick man and what else? Dead body and old man. Then he asked from Channa, who is this? Then Channa told, we also will become old. We also will sick one day. We also will die one day. Then he realized life is uncertain, death is certain. Therefore, he go behind that and he wanted to find the theory behind that and he wanted to stop of this rebirth. These are the 3 palaces. Do you also remember the names of these 3 palaces?
Sangha.
Ramya. Then this one? Suramya, Subha. What are the 4 seasons in the year?
Sun.
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. This is in India now. There may be 3 seasons. That's why King Suddhodana has built 3 palaces for 3 seasons in India. This is Kapilavastu city in India.
I think
These are the,
this is
this is Ramya, this is Suramya, this one is Subha.
that's a Suba.
This is our Prince Siddhartha.
Wow.
But one day he has a horse, a special horse. Tell me the name of that Prince Siddhartha's horse. Kantaka. Kantaka. Who is the servant of Prince Siddhartha? Who was driving that Kantaka's cart?
Who this?
Channa.
Channa.
Minister Channa. Do you know about Channa?
No.
That Channa. Channa is the one, he was acting as a bodyguard of this prince.
What? He's not the bodyguard.
Then, see, one day, while he was traveling with Channa and Kantaka, he saw, within 4 days, he saw 4 incidents. First day, old man.
Other day, sick man.
Patient, sick man. Then next day, old man, sick man. Next day, dead body. Third day, fourth day, Buddhist monk. Not Buddhist. He saw a monk that who is with orange color robe. He saw that type of person. Not Buddha. He is the Buddha, no? Then he asked from Channa, Channa, who is this old man? Then Channa told, Prince Siddhartha, we are also become old one day. This is old man. Then second day, who was? Oh, this is a sick man. Third day,
Cold person.
not tall person, dead body. Then
I know something from some people throw the dead body into the water.
in India, who told that? Huh? You know?
Yeah, when we was created
That Prince Siddhartha has born in India, no? India, Kapilavastu Puran. Do you remember that song, Indian national anthem? Here, this is Indian national anthem. Listen to this. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Uttara, Vanda, Indra, Himachala, Yamuna, Ganga, Unjala, Jala, Janaranda. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे. Yamuna, Ganga, that in India, Neranjana, Nadi, Yamuna Nadi, there are so many big rivers in India. India is very big country, no? What are they doing for these dead bodies? They are putting those dead bodies to their rivers. On what are the days they are putting? Friday and Tuesday. That's why Sri Lankan parents are telling not to take bath on Friday and Tuesdays. Because of that, Indian astrologers told their people to not to take bath from rivers, in Indian rivers, on Tuesday and Friday, because they are putting their dead bodies to their rivers on those 2 days. in the week. In Sri Lankan peoples also thinking we should also not take bath. It's the dead body here. Then after
That's
hearing,
all with bandage.
not bandage, not like in Tutankhamun dead body. This is Indian dead body, no? Then after hearing those stories from Kanta,
That's an old woman.
that Channa, Minister Channa, he got upset. This is Prince Siddhartha. See how is
She's
he?
big now.
He's having very nice personality. Then at that day there was a few period he has married with a lady named Yashodhara. Yashodhara is this Prince Siddhartha's uncle's daughter.
There's lot of ones who have died.
Mahamaya Devi's brother's daughter Yashodhara. He is from Devdaha city.
How
She
cute.
came from Devdaha city. It's
Amma.
very cute.
Amma, how cute. It's that baby.
Yes, this prince is having so many facilities now. This is after the marriage they got a child. This
She's
is
like, she's angry.
after hearing the birth of this child, he got upset. Then he told, "Oh, Rahul has born." He told like that. Therefore, King Suddhodana and others decided to put this child's name as Rahula. This child's name is Rahula. This is Prince Siddhartha's son. You can see cute Rahula here.
Aww.
See,
Why is she wearing some like golden things?
he is a prince, no?
Is
This
that not tight for that little child?
This thing is child, no? They are from palace, no? They are wearing like this. See, bangles,
But this one.
necklaces.
But this
They
one.
have to wear like this.
But this one's not wearing.
There was a nighttime
she's-
ceremony.
And he's wearing earrings too.
Earrings also.
She's a boy.
Boys are also wearing earrings. One day there was a nighttime ceremony in Prince Siddhartha's palace to celebrate Prince Rahula's birth. At that time there were so many actresses are playing and dancing and singing. Then he watched it until midnight. After that, what has happened? He fell asleep. Then at midnight he woke up and he saw how these actresses were there. After seeing these nonsense scenes of actresses, he felt so upset and he dissatisfied about the life. He thought before some moment they were danced, they were sang a song, but now how are they? What is this life? He really got upset and he thought we are living very happily, but at the end of our life we get sick. Therefore this is useless. I have to find the reason for this and I have to end up this birth. Therefore he thought to leave the palace at that dancing ceremony day. He started to leave the palace and he decided it, and he went to the Yashodhara's room and he peeped to the room. He saw Yashodhara is sleeping with little prince, but if he wake up them, they will never allow to Prince Siddhartha to leave. Therefore, without informing them, he told Channa to arrange the horse to go to that river. That palace. This is Prince Siddhartha's leaving from the palace to become the Lord Buddha. You can see Kantaka here. This is the last journey of Kantaka. Kantaka has died after that Prince Siddhartha left from the palace. It has jumped from Niranjana river. Kantaka has to do a big jump from Niranjana river. After doing that and after leaving his master, that Kantaka felt so sad, and Kantaka has died with heartbreak.
So?
At the same place at Niranjana, close to Niranjana river, Kantaka has died. See, this it's very kind-hearted animal. See our Kantaka. Don't forget this name. What is the name of this horse? Kantaka. Name of this servant? Channa. Prince Siddhartha, Kantaka, Channa. And this is Prince Yashodhara and Rahula. Her horse Kantaka. Then he gave her every necklaces and all the things which he was wearing to Channa. Channa, please give these things to my father. I am staying in this jungle. After that, he went to the forest. Then Kantaka got very sad. He ate some leaves and some fruits in that forest. Then Channa got very upset. Then Kantaka also same. Then Kantaka got died at that place.
Died?
Yes. He got heart attack. Its heart has broken, I think. Then he got died at that place.
He should stay at that palace.
Yes. Then he gave her all of his prince clothes also to Channa. Then after
Is
that,
Channa?
Is this Channa? One person,
Is this
monk
Channa?
came from.
Is it Channa?
No, this is Rahul. One person came from that heaven and gave him some robes, orange color robes to wear. Then with those robes he went to the forest without informing to anyone. Channa has taken those things to the palace. All were cried. Yashodhara cried so much. Then she told that Nokiyama Eda Esele Mahe Sande Tipaya
I know that song.
Mahareka Mukoyante Kiye Maheradala.
I have heard that song which Kantaka always sing.
To
everybody.
Kanchana know that?
Yeah.
නින්දේය එදා හිමි ඔබ යන විට මා ඔන්නේ දැනුණා නම් යන වග නැහැනෝ යන්නට දෙන්නේ පොඩි රාහුල පුතුහා මට දුංගින්දර දීලා ගේ ඇයිද තපස් රැක්මට සුදු හත් හිමි රාජා
Gindar, why did she give
ඉන්දාව
Gindar?
නිසා කපිල වස්තු පුර බැහැයින්ට නොපමාව ඇවිත් මාවත් After leaving from Channa and Kantaka, Prince Siddhartha got that robes from Gatikara Bamuna who came from that heaven. After wearing those dresses, he went to the forest. Then he started to meditate to find the reason of this life. Then he got to learn about this life to some teachers called Ajita Kesha Kambala, Sanjay Bellatiputta. From those teachers he learned something, but after that again realized there is nothing to learn from them further. Therefore, I have to find the solution myself. Then, what has he done? He did very difficult life actions that is called Dushkara Kriya. Do you know how is her body? How is his body at that Dushkara Kriya period? Did you see it? See this Dushkara Kriya period? How is his body? That he started to do meditation. Therefore, at that time, his skeleton exposed to the environment. You saw at some places in our temples also there is a photo of that Dushkara Kriya period. You can see the skeleton. Some people thought he got died at that time, but King Suddhodana sent some people to help him also. Finally, he thought that is not the way to find the solution. Therefore, he ate something. He ate that some fruits and leaves also. After
Why did she eat leaves, not rice or butter?
there were no rice or any other things in the jungle. No, this is a forest. One day, one girl from wealthy family. That girl's name is.
Excuse me. Why didn't she take water and food?
Water. He took water. Without water, he can't stay. No, he took water. There are water in the river. No.
Then why didn't she take food?
Other teachers told you have to meditate without taking foods. That some Muslims are doing fasting.
Yes.
Like that, he did all the things without eating foods.
That's not even.
See, this girl's name is Vishaka. This lady came from wealthy family in that area. She saw this man. He is meditating or doing something. At that day, she offered milk to this Siddhartha. Then Siddhartha drank her milk and milk rice also. After that, at that day, he sat on this boat tree. I will never stand up without become Lord Buddha. Same as that, at the same day, he was able to become Lord Buddha. He attained Lord Buddha at that day. Then this is the enlightenment of our Lord Buddha on Vesak full moon day. After getting that Vishaka's milk rice and milk, at the same day, Prince Siddhartha become Lord Buddha.
What? She become Lord Buddha?
Here, see, this is. You can see gods are coming. Gods have come from the heaven. There are gods here. The stars are there in the
Those
sky.
are not gods. Those are like
Here,
bhutas.
there are also some people.
They are like bhutas.
These are in the sky. There are gods now.
They are like
Sometimes they are saying sadhu sadhu or something.
This one is creepy.
This is the Lord Buddha. You can see. He was wearing that robe which offered by that Gatikara Brahmaya. Then this is the story of our Prince Siddhartha until enlightenment. Thank you very much for watching us, and like and subscribe and share if you feel this is good.
Swimming pool. Bye.